How to make Facebook's active status private. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make Facebook's active status private. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Facebook app first. And then after that, let's click the three lines that are here to head over to the menu of your Facebook. Then after that, you'll see this gear icon, which is the settings. You can just click that, or you can also scroll down until you can see the settings and privacy in the bottom right here, and click on settings right here. Either way, you just need to head over to settings. Then after that, just scroll down, and under this audience and visibility, you will see here the bottom option, which is the active status. So just click on that, and you will see in here that this is enabled. So if you turn this off, and let's click let's turn off right here, then our active status right now is private. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make Facebook's active status private. If you have questions or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!